The thing that I love about gems is you don't just use them in Gemini. They appear in this little panel, and you can see up the right, this is the little Gemini symbol up here in the right. This is all through Google Workspace. And that gives us access to our gems wherever we go. I've got the whole deck. There's a lot of other good use cases here. It'll give me, within Drive, a summary of the document. And this is a PDF, and it's given me a full summary, which is pretty handy on its own. I can ask questions, and for sure, I could go and ask all the questions I might have of this particular agreement. But I have a gem for this. Go to my gems list, go to my contracts advisor. Please read through this agreement and summarize. Based on the gem and the specific prompt, it's summarized the agreement itself. And we all, don't speak legalese, right? So this is given us in my prompt. I say outline this for plain English speakers and normal humans like me. It covers what it is. My prompt also asks what clarifying questions we could ask this vendor to make sure it's 100% clear based on the risks that it's identified. Actually, let me scroll up a little bit because it has, here we go. The formatting's not great. Potential risks. So it's read the clause. It hasn't just summarized it for me, but it's identified the potential risks of this particular term sheet. And then it said, well, you should go and ask some clarifying questions, and it's positioned what those questions are. And then it's given me some really specific recommendations, clauses that it says, you really need to address this. Let's go to the prompt. So I've said here, a role description, right? You're a contract law advisor with 20 years experience in Australian contract law working for me in my particular industry, same format. Here's the purpose and goals, how I want you to operate. What I want you to achieve. Here's the behaviors and rules, how I want you to do it. And in this case, I even asked it to output things in a really specific format. So this is a really helpful prompt because there's lots of different ways to prompt, right? And this is a helpful prompt for showing you how to structure the response of a gem, desired output format. Don't worry, this doesn't need to make sense. You copy paste. You copy paste and you just make some adjustments and then and then have recommendation sections, audience and tone. Might feel like a lot, right? It might feel like, oh my God, how do I learn how to prompt? How do I learn and know all this stuff? But you've already done this before. You did this in the 90s and 2000s with Google search. This is a skill and something you'll develop and build. And if you really struggle with that kind of thing as well, you could just go to a new chat and say, hey, teach me how to prompt like a pro, and it'll just tell you how to prompt. Okay, anyway, was that helpful? I know I bounce around a lot. I get a little bit excited when I show off some of these gems and how they work. But all of these gems work within Google Workspace as much as they work in the Gemini window itself.
If you liked this video, we've got plenty more on the channel covering this topic and much, much more.